If your free plan and your paid plan look almost the same to a listing owner, you're giving them very little reason to upgrade. Showing or hiding a field by plan fixes that. Keep a phone number, a contact button, request a quote, or apply now out of the free plan, and a listing owner sees exactly what they're missing every time they check their listing. It works the same way across a professionals directory, a vendor directory, or a job board. Whatever field actually drives a lead or a hire on your paid plan of your free one. One setting does all of this. Let's set it up. You can decide which listing fields show up on which pricing plan. Hide a phone number, email, or any fields of your listing until someone upgrades. It's the same setting behind all of these. Let's set it up. Go to Directorist, then Directory Builder, and choose the directory type you're working on. Open the Add Listing Form tab. If you're controlling a default field like phone or email, it's already on your form and you can skip ahead. If you want something new, like a contact, request a quote, or apply now button, drag a button field from the left panel onto the form. Click the arrow to open its settings and give it a clear label, since this is what listing owners and visitors will see. Save the form. Go to Directorist, then Pricing Plans, and open the plan you want to restrict, usually your free or entry plan. Scroll to the field list. Every field from your listing form is here, including the one you just added. Turn Enable feature off for this plan. That hides the field for anyone on it. Open your paid plan and leave the Enable feature on for that field so it stays visible there. Once this is set, it works on its own. A listing owner on the free plan won't see the field on their form or their listing page. Once they're on a plan where it's enabled, it appears. And if they change plans later, it updates without needing to resave the listing. That's the full setup. Links to the written guide are in the description below.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.